All right, so this is the train that you'll take to Universal Studios for free. SENTOSA Express on level 3 of Vivo City Mall. So past the train gates right there, when you want to come in, you just tell them that you don't have a card, you're here for traveling, and they'll let you in for free. We started here. Harbor Resort is where we are right now, Universal Studio, and I'm gonna go check out this area, cable car station, and then there's a beach. Indoor skydiving, white beach right there, baby. Look at that. White beach it is. You got a lot of cargo in the sea. And you got not cable cars, cable chairs. Those look different than the ones in the front. These fans are lifesavers. I think they call them badass fans in the US. They're doing more construction over there. Beach station. I'm going the wrong way. So I'm so used to on the US being this on the right side. This is killing me. Open daily at 9 a.m. SILOSO Beach. Beach walk, toilets, beach shuttle bus, coach park, PALAWAN Kids City. PALAWAN Ridge, okay. Good old days restaurant. Wings of Time. Where is the access to the beach? This is beach walk. I don't see beach yet. Oh, shade. So much peace in Singapore. I guess it's the other way. Is the beach closed? Maybe. The beach could be closed. So we'll see. Doors are locked this way. It's definitely a nice shade area here. Wearing my mask like this. That area is the bathroom. Can't go there. How do I look? Covers my bald spot. So pretty good, huh? It is much nicer weather first part of the day versus second part of the day, which is all rain, humid, thunderstorm. Like my shirt is not wet yet, surprisingly. It's actually really good. All right, let's see what else we got. Where is this beach? Restrooms. Feel the freedom. So there are go-karts here. There we go. I guess you had to get on the main road. Today is Sunday, so you got a lot of people that are out here on a bike, running the track. Here we go. So SILOSO Beach. There we go. Beach in Singapore. Let's see how fancy it is. We got water, we got beach, we got ferries. That ferry over there is the ferry that takes you to Indonesian island. It's an hour ferry ride according to my taxi guide. So we're gonna try to jump on that while we're here, go to Indonesia. I guess I'm the second person to walk through here. Second person to walk on the beach today. So much nicer here. Quiet, peace. Finally some fresh air. I want to see how hot this water is. Let's see how hot is the water. Come on, come on, come on, come on. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. That's actually pretty good. It's pretty 75, 74 degrees. Not bad, eh? Those are a lot of cargo ships. Wherever they're going, it must be traffic. You got looks like you got an island here. Maybe man-made island. It's just me and two ladies complaining about their dudes. Oh man, this is heaven. Nobody here, my yellow mask. Finally some fresh air. I'm not sweating my freaking butt off. Looks like this part is closed. They close at 7 p.m. That's when the beach closes. This area is closed right here, so we can walk around. Looks like you got a lot of the water sports here. We got some fancy stuff. That dude's wearing a jacket or something. Look at that dude's wearing a jacket. Yeah, kayak, surfing, jacket dude, and a banana boat. Power on. You got a lot of surfboards. I might do that. We'll see. Maybe. I think I see the spot over there, the bridge, white bridge on top. The tower. Maybe.
Show me.
Looks like here's a open area. Looks like either for yoga or night shows. Yeah, they do night shows here. Magical shores. Here we go. Yeah. Pretty cool. Friday through Sunday, 7:30 to 8:45. Take a picture of that. Second part of the beach. It doesn't look like they've had a show here for a while. I'll have to bring the kids here. Definitely nice. They love the beach. You got more people on this side for sure. What is this? You got a rock over there. I guess this is a bunch of sitting areas. I don't know how the heck you would sit on that. Yeah, I don't know about that. That's the spot right there under the rock. And you're one tree away from the sun. That's a nice shade area. And you can kayak across to the other man-made island. And we'll come here tomorrow or next day. I'm sure it's gonna be mad packed house today since it's Sunday. Looks like it's not deep because she's standing in water. No swim zone. So you can't swim past this point. Yes, you can only cross by surfboard. You were just there. So the cable cars come in through that tower and then arrive their final destination. So you can get here two ways. Take the train or cable cars. Train done, cable cars next. She is struggling, but hey, she's trying. More power to her. She's gone up on the board like 4 times since I've been here. This goes round and round and round. Goes quite a bit actually. All right, let's go back on pavement. It's getting hot and I'm fasting. Let's get in the shade. All right, so it looks like we have coffee here, restaurant here. That's the restaurant right there. And the people in line for coffee already. And the place is closed. Coffee addicts. Gosh, it's only 9 o'clock. I'm just kidding. Everybody looking at my mask and laughing. You can hear that lady laughing. Like, duck mask, look at that dude. Ha ha ha. I guess they haven't seen that before. Joke of the day, duck mask on your head. You got Sentopia here. Looks like some kind of art. Best sense of smell among us. Open 11 to 7. Butterfly, there we go. These are lights, okay. Now I know what they're lights. Smart. Now I know why you couldn't sit on them. All right, for bungee jumping, so they call it SKYPARK. Bungee jumping hours are Monday, Thursday, Friday, 1:30 to 7. Saturday, Sunday, 12:30 to 7. Closed on Tuesday, Wednesday. Either be here Monday or be here Thursday before it gets too busy. And I'm hoping this is what they jump off of, maybe. Most likely. Oh man, that'll be scary. That'll be my first jump. I've done parasailing, zip line in Hawaii, parasailing in Bodrum. So this will add to it. You got self-service food kiosks. Ooh, let's see what they got. You got drinks. You got cold tea, Red Bull. That's fancy Red Bull. Never seen that before. You can pay with NFC card here. That's good. Chips, typical Western. There we go. Organic coconut. That's cool. Organic coconut. If I wasn't fasting, buddy, I would get you one. Orange juice. I've seen this machine before. I've seen a lot of it in Turkey. Orange juice drops in there, squeezes them out. Voila. Ice cream. I want some ice cream. And more drinks. Looks like there's a train right there. Not a train, a bus. Sorry. Bus ride that takes you around. That's cool. I haven't seen anything that says bus stop or anything like that. Taste of Italy. Here's what I miss from US. I haven't found it here. Willie's, Moe's, Chipotle's. Miss all that. Krispy Kreme with the red light on. Miss that. Dunkin' Donut, iced coffee, first sip. When you get all that sugar in your mouth. Miss that. Acai drink, Brazilian berry. We typically used to buy from Publix. That's the only place we could find it. Haven't found that here. That's the stuff that we miss so far. Trying to think what else. Is there anything else we miss? Nope. And yeah, that's about it. That's the stuff we miss. All right, thought of one more thing that we miss. Southern hospitality. Miss them good old days where people in the South just tell you good morning, tell you how you doing. Just smile and open the door for you. I've not seen that here so far. People just don't say good morning. And a couple I've said good morning to, half of them have not answered. So I wonder if it's not normal here for people just not say good morning. All right, here goes. The bus takes off. Definitely jumping on that. Cable car arriving right above. See if you can see it. There we go. Let's see if you see it above right there. The yellow one just took off. Green one, there you go, just landed. I think we're reaching the end. This is the kid park right here. Let me show you that. Oh, that's interesting. The letters have fallen off. SILOSA, put on a random way. That's a big slide, man. And it's a metal. I don't like metal slides. I've seen a kid hit their head before they slide or right when they jump out and then bust their head open. Looks like that's the way to cable car. That's the way you go up the cable car. I'm waiting here for my bus. Hopefully I get picked up quickly. We got a fan right here. We're towards the end right here. That's where we are. We walked the blue line. So you got 3 beaches here. You got Tanjung Beach, PALAWAN Beach, and SILOSO Beach. You got 3 spots. And next place we're gonna go to is Universal Studio. We're gonna go check that out. And you got a trail right here. The green trail that I just told you about, I just showed you. That's the trail, ambient trail that you can take and get to cable cars. Looking at the map and walking around, you need, 2 days here. 2 days here would be a solid time frame to look at everything. Spend time on the beach, take the trail, cable cars, go out to the restaurants. 2 days here will be plenty time. If you want to rush it, you can do it 1 day. All right, where is the bus? I want to let it blow the fan. There we go. Panasonic, baby. Panasonic fan. Remember as a kid, you used to yell into him? Used to make a funny noise. All right, here comes the bus. How are you, brother? Good morning. How are you?
Fine. How are you?
Good, thank you. All right, so we are officially on the bus. All right, we are at the resort area. You got casino, you got Resort World Theater, Resort World Convention Center, Aquarium, Adventure Cove Water Park, and Universal Studios. There's nobody here. Yeah, we're definitely coming back here. I'm bringing the kids back. We're gonna have fun. Lego store. We got Krispy Kreme over there. It ain't good as back home though. This place is huge. Oh my goodness. Look at them candies. My kid's gonna go crazy. You got M&M's waving at you. It's time to pick up. It is getting hot up in here. And we can't take our clothes off. I'm just kidding. No, you actually can't. You go to jail. Restaurant. Malaysian food. Reese's. Never seen a Reese's store. That's first. Hershey's store. Kiosk, we're opening it up. Tickets opening it up. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Are we in Orlando? Nope. We are in Singapore. Universal Studio Singapore. Having a hard time saying that. I keep saying Orlando Universal Studios, but Singapore peeps. Singapore Universal Studios. That's where we are, folks. Let me take the charger out. Me, as usual, did not charge the camera or the mic. As you can see, I'm not wearing the mic. You got everything. You can literally come here, spend the whole week, and still not do everything. You got aquarium. You got theme park. You got a bunch of museums, a bunch of kid activities. You got 3 beaches with a bunch of activities here. And you got the Singapore's biggest mall in the Singapore, maybe even in the Asia. That thing is huge. Oh, I forgot. You also have the cable cars. And you have the ferry ride that you can take to the islands of Indonesia. You can literally come here to Singapore, spend the whole week here, and go back home. Be like, I saw Singapore, but really, you saw one point in Singapore. There you go. Universal Studios Singapore says it on top. Let me show it to you. I already walked my 250 steps. I mean, not 250 calories, 5,000 steps. The breeze is nice. The breeze is nice. Sure about the van. The fan. The van. What am I saying? The fan. Oh, look at the butterfly. What a view. Get some fresh air. Ah.